gosh, look at that swirling right above us. Holy cow. Oh shoot. We're in the bear's cage and I didn't even realize it. Right at the tip of the RFD here. It's curling. I've been in this position before. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Oh shit. It's a tornado. Frick. Oh my gosh, it's right here. It's right here. Oh my golly! We're right in it! Holy cow! Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that! Wow! Tornado, right in the field, right in front of us. I totally lost situational awareness, but it's right there. Right there. Look at those clouds. Vortices. Oh my gosh! You just gotta be careful here. I don't want to be in the bear's cage, but look at that thing. It's on the road in front of us. I think the circulation's to the north, but it's gonna get gnarly. Rain curtains. Alright, I gotta put this down and focus. This is the closest I've been. I just hope this road stays gravel. It's still not, it never really fully condensed. Alright buddy, keep momentum. Might still be down. Well, I've accomplished my objective for the year. Oh my gosh, that was so dumb. That was so dumb. I had no idea what I was doing. I had no idea I was there. I thought I was south of it. First multi-tour day of the year. Yeah, it's all rain now.